50 sentences using would. I would like to visit Paris someday. If I had more time, I would learn a new language. She said she would come to the party. If it was sunny, we would go for a picnic. He would always help his friends in times of need. The cat would always sit by the window and watch the birds. I knew he would forget to bring his homework. If I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. She promised she would call me later. If it were colder, we would need to wear jackets. He would often tell stories about his adventures. I would be grateful if you could help me with this task. They would visit their grandparents every summer. If I were you, I would take that opportunity. I never thought it would rain today. She always knew what she would say in difficult situations. He said he would finish the project by tomorrow. I would love a cup of coffee right now. If I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. They would always go for a walk after dinner. I knew it would be a challenging task. He would often play the guitar in the evenings. If I were in your shoes, I would make the same decision. She promised she would never forget our anniversary. I would appreciate it if you could pass me the salt. If it were up to me, I would choose a different path. He would always dream of becoming a famous artist. I never thought it would take so long to get there. She said she would help with the preparations for the event. If I were a superhero, I would have the power of teleportation. They would often go camping in the mountains. I would be thrilled to attend the concert. If it were possible, I would turn back time. He would frequently visit the local library. I knew she would be the perfect fit for the job. If I had known, I would have brought an umbrella. She would always make a wish when she saw a shooting star. I would love to try that new restaurant in town. If it were warmer, we would go swimming. He would often talk about his childhood memories. I would prefer tea over coffee any day. She promised she would be there on time. If I were a scientist, I would invent something groundbreaking. They would often go on road trips during the holidays. I would be delighted to join your team. If it were quieter, we would be able to concentrate better. He would always find a solution to every problem. I would appreciate your feedback on this proposal. If I were an actor, I would choose roles that challenge me. She said she would never give up on her dreams.